My name is Chernet Harifo, and I'm from Ethiopia. Um, I'm from the region that is called Tigray region of Ethiopia. I mean, many people, I'm pretty sure you have heard of it. I am here listening to wonderful activists and young people just like me sharing some of the amazing work they have done, and this is really inspiring. But I come from a region that is totally sealed off from the rest of the world due to the war that happened the last 3 years. And when I look at this declaration, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, I feel like it is only impactful in Western context than when it comes to African context. When human rights violations happen in Africa, it's less cared about, and commissions always say, oh, let's investigate this, and after that there's almost nothing done, and justice is not served. In recent years, we have witnessed disturbing reports of widespread abuse, including massacres, violence against civilians, sexual and gender-based violence, forced displacement and destruction in Tigray. And now the same is spreading to regions like Amhara regions. These violations have resulted in immense suffering and loss for Ethiopians who reside in this part of the country. I am here today to remind you again and again and again that it is crucial for us to remember that human rights, which are the fundamental rights and freedom that every individual is entitled to. I hear human rights commissioners often say 1 million people in Tigray have perished, but this can be a number for you. For me, my family, my friends and people I grew up with, these are our sisters, our brothers, our cousins, our uncles, and our parents and grandparents. For how long can we continue to be selective when it comes to human rights violations in the continent of Africa? Let us pause for a moment and stop finding definition for what happened in Tigray. Let us not forget what happened in Rwanda and the message that followed afterwards, which was never again. Never again is happening again in many parts of the world. Lastly, what happened in Tigray is not a civil war or just a war. It is a campaign that was pre-planned to annihilate Tigrayans from the face of the earth. And the true definition of what happened in Tigray is a genocide. Therefore, I ask everyone in this place, and particularly to the Commissioner, that let us do what is right, not what is politically correct. Thank you so much.